Dear student, today we shall discuss about human eye and eye defects. We know that eye is most valuable part of our body. Without eye, we cannot see this beautiful, colorful world. We are so thankful to our God who provided us this beautiful organ of the body known as eye, which helps in reading, walking, seeing this beautiful, colorful world, and so many things. First of all, we have to discuss general structure of our eye. Our eye is like a ball in which some in front part of our body eye, there is a three layered. The outer layer is known as scalar, right, in this figure, which is whitish in color. It protects our eyes from outer words and any other type of infections or any other type of hurt. In this eye, as we see, there is a blackish or brownish or blue part like this. This part is known as a iris. The color of this iris depends on the climate where the person is living. In some of the climate, this part is brown. In some of the climate, this part is black, and in some part of the climate, or in very rare case, some persons have blue colored eyes. So we see sclerite. After that, in our eye we see a blackish or brownish part according to their climate. And in that brownish part, there is a hole known as pupil. This pupil allows enters the light rays in the eye. This light rays enters in the eye through this pupil. This entered light, when passes through this eye lens, which is convex in nature. As we know that eye lens follows the process of diffraction of light. So, after diffraction of light passing through lens, the rays reaches at retina, and in this way we can see that figure like this. We see that the rays after diffraction through eye lens meets at retina. So, this point where the refracted rays meet the image of the object is hot. So, whatever the light rays enters our eye through after diffraction through eye lens, they meets at retina. And we know that the point where refracted rays meets or appear to meet, the image is formed at that point like this here. So we can say that at the retina the image of the object is formed. In this retina there are so many points. One point is known as yellow point and other point is indicated as blind point. Yellow point is the region at which the image formed can be seen. यानी रेटिना के येलो पॉइंट पर जो इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होगा दैट कैन बी सीन बाय द पर्सन. बट if the image is formed at blind point where optic nerves comes out and goes to the brain, that point is known as blind point, and the image formed at this blind point a person cannot be seen that image. So it is clear that formation of image in human eye takes place at retina, and the point is known as yellow point. Also on this retina there are some points, some region from which optic nerves comes out and transmit the information of the image to our brain. That point, that area is known as blind point, because at this region, if the image is formed at this region, we cannot see that. So it is necessary for normal eye that image of the object must be formed at the retina. Now we know that human eye helps in seeing different objects, and in this case eye rays from reflected rays from the object reaches to our